In example 2, we need to classify each triangle by its angles. If we look at this first example, 60 degrees, 60, and 60, all three of those angles have the same measure, they're congruent. So we would say that this is equiangular. Now some of you might be saying, well, isn't that equilateral? That's true, but we want to classify the triangle by angles, so we would say equiangular. If we classified it by side or by sides, then it would be equilateral. This next one, we can look and see here we've got 70 degrees and 70 degrees and 40 degrees. Now you might be thinking, hey, look at these congruent sides, that's got to be isosceles, which is true, but we want to classify the triangle by the angles. We want to look at the size of all three of these angles. They're all acute angles. There's no obtuse angle here, and none of these angles are 90 degrees, so we're going to label this as acute. The next one, we have a right angle. We don't know what these two angles are, but this is the key right here. So we're going to call this a right triangle when one of the angles is exactly 90 degrees, indicated by this box or rectangle. In the example below, we can look at our angles 20, 30, and 130. This has one obtuse angle, and so we'll classify this triangle as being obtuse.